country.
It can happen to anyone, to our close friends, neighbors, schoolmates, or even among our family members. The World Health Organization is calling it a silent killer. It's about time we set aside barriers, get over the stigma, and be informed about mental health not any minute longer. But what does mental health mean?
A lot of people might think that when they hear mental health, it is only something they see outright. Someone who is acting differently, someone hindi normal, something biological, something physical, something they experienced while growing up. And these things affect how a person acts, how a person thinks.
A study reveals 7 Filipinos commit suicide daily.
Filipinos, we've talked about mental health and our mental health problems in the dark. Sinistigmatize yan, dinidiscriminate, makes it harder for people with mental health problems to come out into the light and ask for help.
And lawmakers are now hard-pressed to pass a bill that will set a policy on the issue, hoping to come up with a proactive approach to address mental health concerns down to the barangay level.
The bill wants to empower further the Department of Health na ibaba niya hanggang kaya niya down to the barangay level, increase in the number and upping in the capacity of mental health professionals and mental health service providers.
The Department of Health has set up what it calls a Hope Hotline. Young people are also taking part in promoting mental health awareness, something that's close to the heart of advocacy group Youth for Mental Health Coalition.
As the youth, we hold events to raise awareness, we partner with schools, we have forums there, and we also actively lobby on the ground. So we go to Congress, we go to Senate, we go to the House of Reps, and we dialogue with our lawmakers to pass the bill.
These volunteers are visiting schools to get in touch with students who might be experiencing mental health issues.
It's easy to overlook when you're just being faced with numbers, but iba talaga yung dating when you put a face and you know that there is a person behind the number.
Addressing mental health here and in other parts of the world remains to be a huge concern. People need to be open about it, be informed, and work hand in hand so that we can come up with solutions that will help those people who are suffering from mental health issues. The rising number of cases is already a wake-up call. Failure to act is costly, and time is of the essence.
Social media also plays a vital role in helping people. Have you seen one lately?
It's very serious for a lot of people that when they approach you asking for help, you could be the lifeline that they are looking for. So it's a very big responsibility you're taking upon yourself.
Small steps that could hopefully lead to a more accepting society for those battling depression, suicide, and other mental health concerns. But the first step begins with you and I. Be open and let's talk about it. Tristan Udalo, CNN Philippines.